Yankee Doodle Drumsticks, here we go. Woo! Happy birthday, America. What is going on? And happy anniversary to BBQ Jams, 3 years in. Come on, guys. We're on YouTube. We're getting involved. We're having a great time. Guys, we're going to be cooking up some Yankee Doodle drumsticks for you guys tonight in celebration. It's going to be incredible. I'm going to be using a couple different barbecue sauces. We're going to be making the 0 to 400 method on the pellet grill. It's going to be killer. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. So, who's coming over tonight? Guys, we have a newcomer over here tonight. His name is Laws Savage. He'll be playing guitar for us tonight. Also, we have Kevin Peffer on bass. We also have Adam Pritchett on keys, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! Okay, we've got our drumsticks. Check it out, guys. 2 packs. I got BOGO on them. Essentially, I've got 24 wings for a little over 10 bucks. That is a deal. I know prices are real expensive right now in the grocery stores. Everything's expensive. So this is a good way of feeding a lot of people for cheap with some drumsticks. So go to your local grocery store, see if you can get hooked up on some of these guys. So basically what we're gonna be doing tonight, I'm gonna pull these out of the package. I'm gonna dry them off. I'm gonna use some olive oil for a binder. And I'm gonna be using some of the BBQ Jams Rub on them. Popping them on the pellet grill tonight. 0 to 400, I'm gonna get these up to about 185 degrees internal temp. I'm gonna pull them. I've got 2 different types of barbecue sauce I'm using tonight. I've got this Kinder's Chipotle Pineapple and also the original of the Kinder's. So give these both a shot on each one. We're gonna see how it goes. They should be really good. So here we go. By the way, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this channel. We are having a ball doing this. We're 3 years in and we are having a great time. We'd love to bring you guys more content. Share some love, throw out some likes, throw out some comments, subscribe, throw out some, if you guys want to see me cook something special, let me know. We'll see what we can do. But we're having a great time over here, guys. We're just gonna keep it going. We're getting involved, so you should get involved too. Now we're gonna go on with some of our BBQ Jams Rub. Okay, we are all ready to go. Let's pop these guys on. So we're gonna be doing the 0 to 400 method, which basically means we're gonna start this without any heat. We're gonna crank it on and we're gonna go up to 400 degrees on the temp. And then we're gonna wait for this to come up to 185 degrees internal on these drumsticks. So that's basically what it means. Pretty simple, straightforward. These are gonna be delicious. Before they're done though, I'm gonna be putting some barbecue sauce on them to tack it up and give it a little extra flavor. Boom. Oh, nope. All right, hold on. They wanted to go to 395 for some reason. All right, now we got it. All right. Catch you guys back here in a minute. You guys enjoy these jams. Come on, let's get involved, people. Okay guys, we're gonna baste up some barbecue sauce on these chicken drumsticks, so here we go. I'm gonna let these tack up for a second. You guys enjoy these jams, I'll be right back. All right, time to flip them over. All right, we're gonna let these tack up. Catch you guys back here in just a minute. Okay guys, the rain is here. We're gonna get this done. These guys are gonna come on and check out some of this chicken. We have Kevin Pepper over here. Come on down. What's up, dude? You excited?
I'm very excited.
We also have Adam Pritchett over here. What's up, dude? Come on, come on. And we also have a newcomer tonight. We have Laws, and his last name is Savage. Yes, I got it. I was right there. It was right there. All right, cool. Guys, we have napkins over here. Here's our chicken. We have the 2 different sauces. Grab a drum and just go for it.
Going for this
I
one.
think I'm gonna go for this guy over here.
I'm going.
And we gotta do chicken cheers, and these are very hot. We're gonna go chicken cheers like the 3 Musketeers, but we're the 4 tonight.
You say 3 Musketeers?
Oh, 3 Musketeers, yes. Oh, you're good, bro. All right, cheers, guys, here we go. Woo!
Oh, that's a fried twin pork. That's insane.
Whoa.
Phenomenal. It's literally dripping everywhere.
Whoa!
Out there, too. The rain and grease.
Oh, wow. Oh, I definitely got the Chipotle.
Yeah,
this
right?
is so good. Guys, it's tender. That 0 to 400 method worked out perfect.
I thought it was going to be more sweet and be missing the Chipotle, and it's all there.
Oh, it's all there.
Flying colors.
So good. And flying colors, I
I
like
did it
that.
on purpose, brother.
He brought it in with the flying colors. That is awesome. Guys, this is perfect for tonight. This is awesome. I can't wait for these jams tonight. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're gonna have a ball. What do y'all think? Y'all excited?
Let's go.
Woo! All right, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. You know what? We have James Salzer over here too if he wants to come on, and Ryan Turk. You guys can come on and grab some? Come on, get out of the rain. It's raining cats and dogs out here. What's up, dude?
What's up, man? Welcome home. Oh, look at that. Look at that, man.
Look how big they are. Woo.
They're warm.
Oh, man.
Looks good to eat.
So good.
Oh, my God. Wow. They're hot.
Oh.
That's great. That's amazing, Will. Did it again.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
Woo! We got a wonderful. Guys, we're going to tear out these drumsticks. We're going to catch you guys back here in just a minute. All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, these drumsticks were incredible. What'd you guys think of these drumsticks tonight? Were just insane.
Yeah.
So good. You guys have got to try these out. We also have a newcomer tonight. We got to hook him up with a shirt up here. So come on down. This is Laws Savage. What's up, man?
Hey.
Hey,
Hi.
good to meet you. And I'm looking forward to these jams tonight, dude. It's going to be a lot of fun. And we got to hook you up with a shirt. So check it out. It's official now.
That's awesome.
You've got a BBQ Jams shirt. So, woo! Welcome to the club, brother. Here we go. You've been BBQ Jams. Woo! I completely screwed that up, but that's all right. We're gonna do it next time. Anyway, like, subscribe.
The bit when you set people on fire.
Oh yeah. We told me we were gonna set them on fire, but we that'll be later. Anyway, you guys enjoy the show. We'll catch you later. Peace, love. Yeah, like, subscribe. That was some lightning too.